Hey guys, Doug B here. Well, looks like we have us a Firmware Friday for the FM3. FM3 firmware version 6.01 Beta 1. The new and improved features added the Paragon type to the wah block based on a Tycho Brahe pedal. Updated the compressor block so that time displays actual value for the various pedal types. Fixes: fixed corrupt audio as a result of attaching a modifier to a drive block parameter when the type is clone Chiron. Now here's the link, and I will have this link in the description. FM3 Edit version 1.05.12 is required for this firmware. You must perform a refresh after firmware in FM3 Edit to sync with firmware 6.01 to see the Paragon Wah type. Alright, let's switch over to FM3 Edit. Alright guys, so what I did was use Quick Build to put together a quick preset. The in1 block, the wah block, amp block, cab block, delay block, reverb block, and out1 block. The wah block, of course, has the Paragon type, and the control is linked to external 1, that's the expression pedal. I'm using the band commander type in the amp block with the bright switch turned off. I'm using factory 1 number 957 2x12 double verb 57A in the cab block. Delay block has the digital mono type with the mix down to 5%. Reverb block has the studio type with the mix down to 10%. All right, let's test this out and see how it sounds. So there you have it guys, the Paragon Wah type, which has been added to FM3 firmware 6.01 Beta 1. Download it if you're interested, or you can just wait till, firmware 6.01 comes out. At any rate guys, have a great weekend and I will see you next week.